Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, in this video I bring you yet again another comment by the veritable critic of the Buhari regime, Omokri. So I'll bring you the story and then I'll leave it to you then to draw conclusions and share those conclusions with me in the comment section. So this is the headline: WAEC results, EFCC under fire for not arresting Buhari. So that's the headline. WAEC results, EFCC under fire for not arresting President Buhari. A former special assistant to ex-President Goodluck Jonathan on new media, Omokri, has attacked President Buhari over the controversies surrounding Buhari's WAEC certificate, comparing him to Yahoo boys. Omokri berated the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) for being quick in arresting Yahoo boys who use fake pictures to deceive women in romance scams, but overlook Buhari, who, according to him, uses a picture to deceive Nigerians that he has a WAEC/GCE certificate. Omokri, who shared an image of President Buhari with his colleagues during his days at Cambridge College, wondered how the president could not preserve his WAEC certificate but was able to keep pictures. Recall that a witness for the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) in the Presidential Election Petitions Tribunal, Oshidende Henry Sunday Adewumi, had affirmed that the Cambridge Assessment Education Certified Statement for President Buhari was not a certificate, but the said result document obtained from Cambridge University in London was part of the total documents presented before the tribunal as evidence to prove that Buhari is a true holder of West African Examination Council (WAEC). Recall that since 2014, when Buhari became a major opposition to the then ruling party, People's Democratic Party (PDP), there have been questions about his education, qualification, and the authenticity of his senior secondary school final results. Omokri tweeted, "General at M. Buhari, how come you were able to keep this picture but you were not able to keep your certificate? What type of country is this? Termites ate the Chief of Justice certificate and a picture represents the president's certificate. At Buhari is a Yahoo man." Comparing the president to the Yahoo boys, the former presidential aide added, "At official EFCC arrest Yahoo boys who use fake pictures to deceive women in romance scams. But what about a Yahoo general who uses a picture to deceive Nigerians that he has a WAEC/GCE certificate? General at Buhari, at M. Buhari, where is your certificate? Hashtag Buhari is a Yahoo man." So now this is now the new tag that we are now going with. Hashtag Buhari is a Yahoo man, because these are all legitimate questions to ask, of course, because now he's keeping these pictures. Now these pictures that is showing that he went to this Cambridge, whatever it is, that school in the northern part of Nigeria. This picture that is showing as proof of him attending some sort of institution, this picture would have predated his certificates, because of course this picture was still when he was in school, and the certificate will be after he had left school. So if he's able to then keep a picture that predates a certificate, how come he's not then able to keep the certificate that came after that picture? You just see the lack of intelligence in the logic. It doesn't even stand to any form of reasoning when you think about it, if you bother to think about it. So it's just the level of crass stupidity and the crude nonsense that we're having to contend with in that country that is being flashed up again by this guy, Omokri, because it's just ludicrous beyond belief. Even WAEC has disowned this sort of nonsense, that please don't attach our name to this, because we have been existing long before Buhari and we will exist long after Buhari, and we cannot have the image and the reputation reputation of this institution tarnished because of some funny aboki guy. So now this is now the new hashtag now that we're playing with. Hashtag Buhari is a Yahoo man. So over to you, Naira Marley. Now I think there's a follow-on track to that Am I a Yahoo boy? So I think that is now a signal to Naira Marley to drop another lyric, because they've already given him now hashtag Buhari is a Yahoo man. So what is your hashtag? Conversations in the comment section is what I have been inviting. The nonsensicals going on in Nigeria is up for debate again, where the reign is just a zoo, really. I don't like Nnamdi Kanu because I would not say that I dislike him, but I don't really rate him, because especially when he's doing all that his Jubril nonsense and all these rantings that he does, and he goes on all this, it's not my cup of tea. I know I have a lot of Igbo followers, and please don't come after me, because I'm entitled not to like Nnamdi Kanu, and not liking Nnamdi Kanu does not mean I then dislike the Igbo race. I love Igbo people. One of my best friends, Ijeoma, she's Igbo, so specifically that guy, I'm not keen on him. But the one thing that I did say that I am reluctant to agree with, but I have to say I do agree with, is that country is effectively a zoo. So thoughts on the Nigerian zoo / country / however you are terming it in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button till it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me if you think it is really hashtag Buhari is a Yahoo man. If you agree, then drop it in the comment section. If you disagree, let me know why. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.